Welcome to Crocogen Industries, where nature meets precision. Here, crocodiles are raised, This is the feeding department. Automation ensures each animal receives the exact portion it needs, monitored, sterilized, and delivered on schedule. Each feeding cycle is recorded in real time. The system weighs every animal and adjusts its intake automatically here. Precision feeding for biological balance.
Safety is everything here. No one enters an enclosure without a partner and remote override. Automation handles the rest.
Every worker performs daily inspections. The goal cry: no irregularities, no contamination, no mistakes.
We don't overfeed. We calculate efficiency, growth. Less waste, better growth, cleaner cycles.
Every crocodile carries an implant. It records heart rate, hydration level, and stress index crooks, the biology of control.
Growth patterns are recorded through laser mapping. We can predict body structure months ahead. Evolution made measurable. Our AI oversees 24 sectors simultaneously. It logs feeding, sleep cycles, temperature.
Look at the size of that male. He's exhibiting territorial behavior near the intake valve.
Water quality is checked every hour. Purity, pH, salinity, xanol, the chemistry must remain perfect for growth.
Now we enter the processing division, the heart of the factory, where every scale is studied and refined.
In this stage, surface preparation begins. Enzymatic cleansing removes residue and prepares the scales for refinement.
Every unit is sterilized, temperature, humidity, and enzyme ratio kept within a 2% tolerance.
We measure everything, Kungo. Enzyme density, exposure time, skin elasticity. The process is alive and perfectly controlled.
Thousands of readings per minute. AI analyzes fiber patterns and surface response to enzymes, all in real time.
Each scale is analyzed for thickness and pattern integrity. No two animals are identical to gain, but uniformity is our goal.
Once processed, materials move through sealed transfer tracks. Zero contact, maximum efficiency.
Container 72 is showing a slight pressure drop.
Copy that. Adjusting flow rate now. Monitor the seals on the next pass.
Temperature shifts are measured to 1/10 of a degree. The enzyme activity depends on precision.
Every batch is checked for uniform response. Our standard isn't average, it's absolute consistency.
Once treatment is complete, the skin is preserved and transferred to the drying sector, replated, ready for refinement.
Welcome to the drying sector. Here, airflow, temperature, and timing shape perfection. The process never sleeps.
Airflow calibration is critical. Even 1% deviation can alter texture change. Precision defines quality.
Humidity defines the outcome. We simulate tropical air to maintain natural flexibility. Too dry way, and the texture is lost.
Each drying cycle lasts 24 hours. Every minute is tracked. Temperature, humidity, airflow, nothing escapes the log.
Once dried, refinement begins. Robotic arms smooth imperfections corners. Technology finishes what nature started.
Texture is everything. We measure every square centimeter for uniform tension and alignment. Nothing uneven passes through.
AI compares live samples with digital references JAG, pixel-level alignment to ensure perfection.
We balance airflow by hand at least once per shift. Machines adjust, but humans perfect.
This final cycle stabilizes structure. At this stage, flexibility meets endurance subdued, the balance that defines value.
From here, the materials move to refinement, oboye, where science meets craftsmanship.
Now we move to refinement, Drian, where processed material is perfected. Every touch here decides the final quality.
We polish for consistency, not shine. The structure must breathe, stretch, and endure like living armor.
Our quality metrics check over 4,000 points per piece. Step, density, elasticity, and structural memory.
Each piece is laser cut to within 1/10 of a millimeter. Precision cutting ensures zero waste and perfect fit.
Every finish has its own purpose. Some absorb light, others reflect it. The control defines the signature.
Here in finishing, precision meets presentation. Every panel is polished, checked, and sealed for its final destination.
We inspect each fiber, surface tension, color balance, and uniform grain. Perfection is measured, not guessed.
Edges are laser sealed for durability. The finish you see here will last decades without aging or cracking.
Once inspected, materials move into packaging. Every piece is sealed under pressure and coded for traceability.
Logistics runs on timing crown. Containers leave every 45 minutes, each tracked to its destination in real time.
Watch the alignment on A4. The stabilizers look off.
It's within tolerance. Send it through.
This is Crocogen, where every movement, every breath is measured. Nature engineered, not tamed.
Every system ends here. Checked, balanced, confirmed. The factory runs like a living organism, built on precision and respect.
Divert auxiliary power, levels critical.
Hitting the override now.
Stable, nets are holding.
The readout here is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
Storage is alive. We maintain perfect equilibrium, humidity, pressure, temperature, vede, to protect the material's integrity.
We train for the unexpected. Power cuts, pressure spikes, biological alerts. The system reacts before we do.
Before export, each container undergoes stress validation, compression, temperature, impact resistance.
Nothing fails the grid.
Watch the crane. Move it left.
Clear the area below now.
Every shipment travels under supervision. Location, temperature, and security tracked in real time until delivery.
Each unit carries a digital identity, scanned, logged, and linked to its origin. Nothing leaves unrecorded.
Routine checks take 8 hours. Each bolt tightened, each pressure level verified per net. Discipline is safety.
From this point, we oversee everything. Huye, safety, output, stability. Control is not luxury, it's survival.
Behind every process, there's purpose. Control without cruelty, creation with conscience. That's what defines this place.
Every valve, every sensor line, checked, tested, replaced. System integrity keeps the entire facility breathing.
This is the storage division, the bridge between refinement and the world. Every piece, every shipment, precisely logged and preserved. This is the maintenance division 10A, where precision never rests. Machines breathe here, just like the animals we serve.
Turbine levels holding steady at 4,000 RPM.
Pressure valve 7 is fluctuating. Keep an eye on the tank below.